We're at the MiR booth. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we're at the MiR booth at Automate. So basically we're going to be talking about the functionality of a MiR. So before MiR there was AGVs, which are great for their time. MiRs are so much better though. So with MiR you can teach it anything you want it to do. You can teach it multiple things. You can equip them with top conveyors. This one specifically is obviously going under the pallets, picking pallets up. It'll take it to wherever you need it to go. The good thing about MiRs is you can map out the facility that you put it in, and if something gets in its way, it will work its way around it. Whereas the AGVs kind of had one path they could follow on the ground. They're not very functional. I'll show you a few different ones. This is basically showing you the functionality of it can take things from a conveyor and move it to a different part of the facility, to wherever you need it to go.